There is no this causing a that. That is all a bizarre illusion. There is the unfoldment of the universe as it proceeds, thusly. If we look for a cause, let's take cause as far as we can in the logical world. For a speck of dust to be right where it is, there it is right there. See that speck of dust? Anyway, that speck of dust. It's all in your head. There's no speck of dust there. For this speck of dust, what causes this piece? This takes something simple, a speck of dust. We're not talking about a whole industrial complex or the political structure of the United States or something. We're just talking about one little lousy piece of dust. For this little piece of dust to be here, what is the cause? Well, the cause would, it would depend on the barometric pressure today. It would depend on the movement of the air in this room, which would depend on the temperature, which would depend on how many people are here, and the dimensions of the room would also depend. For a room to be here, there has to be a land, there has to be a state for a county to be in. There has to be a planet for that to be on. That planet is not alone in the universe. It's got to be whirling around with other universes. And for the planet to be where it is, so that this state can be where this county is, where this building is, where these air currents are, and all these people are, and this speaker here pointing his finger up in the air, that's all due to the evolution of all of preceding time, is it not? All of preceding time had to evolve for all the planets to be where they are, for the universe to be where it is, so that this state can be this place on the globe at this point in time, where this barometric pressure and the atmospheric pressure and these temperatures and gradations and this light coming down and making little air currents and the breath from my speaking voice, there's an infinite number of finite causes, acting in concert throughout all of time. All of time has to have occurred up to the moment for this little speck. Now you go to court and tell me who you're going to sue.